One of EDC's basic strategies is dedicated to glossaries. Glossary entries let you explain words directly in your user help. This is useful for complicated, rare, or very specific words, or when the word's meaning changes depending on context. Having definitions in the help window lets you explain things to beginner users without slowing down more advanced users. Before inserting a definition, you need to create it using the same process as any other document. Go to the glossary strategy, right-click, create a term. Here we're going to define the word fail. It has several meanings and variants, so we'll create an entry for each. So, fail as a verb, create, fail as a noun, create, and a variant on the noun. My 3 entries are created, you can see them on the left. The glossary strategy has only one article type. Definitions are short, they need to fit in a sentence or two, so that's all you need. That's also why you can't add images. If you realize that you need something longer, then you should create a concept document instead. Last one, save. The glossary entries are ready, so now we can insert them in documents. So let's go to a document that contains a word where we want to add a definition. Here, fail. To add a definition, you highlight the word, and then you click on the glossary icon in the toolbar. The insertion window opens with your word already in the search bar. Click Process Search. EDC finds the definitions where the title contains the word. Select the one you want, and the link to the definition is added to the word. So now let's open the exported user help to see what glossary links look like. So let's go to the same document. Here is our fail with the link. If you mouse over the link, you see the definition as a tooltip. If you click the link, the definition is displayed in a panel and stays there until you close it. EDC lets you easily add definitions directly inside the user help. Beginner or non-native users may need a definition for complex or ambiguous words. Glossary entries straight in the help means they don't have to leave the help to look up the words. Only having to explain complex words once saves time and is less annoying for advanced users. Thank you for watching and see you next time for a new EDC tutorial.